Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna guide you on how can you fix WhatsApp video call not working. If your WhatsApp video call aren't working, it's usually due to a lack of app permissions or weak internet connections or outdated app. So you might want to open your settings on your device, just go to internet and network and make sure to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. That should also definitely help you out. Next, just launch open the settings app or app sections and just go to see all apps and locate WhatsApp from the list. After which, you might want to go to permissions and make sure that camera, phone lock, contact and accounts are enabled. Once you've done this, you also want to make sure to go ahead and launch open your WhatsApp onto your device and make sure that you've also tap onto the settings and see chats and all that in privacy. Make sure that you've not enabled any sort of options as well. Now that you've done this and you're still facing issue, you might want to make sure to go ahead and update your app. So simply launch open your app store and type in your WhatsApp onto your search bar and see whether the app needs to be updated or not. And this way you should be able to fix WhatsApp video call not working. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.